everyone! How was your Monday? Well, tapos na kami sa work. And ito na naman ako. I get a surprise. Tada! Okay, alam nyo ba yan? Kung ano yan? Anyway, ito yung chocolate na nag-viral or trend dito sa Dubai. It's not too late. Okay, let's try kasi masyado silang nagkakagulo sa chocolate na to. Yung sa akin is kunafa, tapos pistachio with tahini paste and milk chocolate. Yes. Ayan guys, so. Kaso nilagay namin siya sa freezer, kaya ayan. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya bi-break. Wait, let's open. Ta-da! Okay. Wow! It is. Oh! Okay, I think I already broke them. But yan guys, so ta-da! Wanna eat with me? Let's just try to crack them. Oh, diba? Oh my god, it looks so yummy. And this one is for Jera. Let me taste it. It's really yummy. It's kakaiba siya sa ibang chocolate na natikman ko. But I'm not really fan of chocolate. Kasi meron sa akin isa lang yung favorito kong chocolate. But this one, it's really tasty guys. It's really tasty. Anyhow, bili na kayo. Masarap talaga siya. But for once, not always. Okay, finally nakatikim na din ako nito. Thank you so much. Kain muna ako. I'll see you. Bye. Thank you.